Hello, I wanted to do another little update about using CapCut and kind of a review for CapCut. And you that have been following me and have seen my training for churches know that I have done a few videos of how to use CapCut for creating shorts, reels, or stories for Instagram. It's basically portrait size videos, and I take sermons and cut it up to do the little clips under 60 seconds. Well, one of the things that CapCut has done has created a shorts auto, and I guess what I'm doing is a review on this. And as you see, you can actually see it uploading. When you pull up CapCut, it comes up to this. Once you get the overlay box away, you can actually add a new project or go to your existing projects, or you can do this free, take a long video, and it automatically does shorts. So let me click on this, and there we go. Okay, then you can add whatever video it'll upload, and then it'll create the shorts. Okay, I have a slight issue with this. This has been running for right around 30-40 minutes, and still only at 74%. As I've done recently done one, it quickly uploaded my first one. And this is how you get 3 hours free per month, and it keeps a time of how much you have uploaded. But this is just my review on this. It's a great idea for CapCut to do this, but it takes so long to upload the video. But I just wanted to bring this out. It is a cool way to do it. And then actually what it does once you upload the video, let me just go ahead and click on this one. And it has these, it separates them. And of course most of these are just over a minute, and I selected 60 seconds or under. So, there may be a few little things you'll have to go in and edit them, maybe, but it does help out by quickly doing it once it gets uploaded. That's my little issue with it. So, just wanted to bring that to you. Thank you for watching. Make sure you share this, subscribe to this, whatever channel you are watching this on, the YouTube and or Rumble. And we're looking to include locals to do some more in-depth training. So thank you for watching. We'll catch you on the next video.